Our office is committed to reducing opioids. How? Through innovative patent-pending technology. What applications? Anywhere from surgical to non-surgical dental procedures, as well as dry mouth, dry sockets, and abscess ulcers. We've updated our pain management protocol, and we're reducing the need for opioids. We're only using top products and award-winning products in our practice. And here's how.
With StellaLife, you can return to your normal life much faster after dental surgery. StellaLife is a safe and natural way to speed up recovery after oral surgery. Better ingredients, better formulations, better healing.
Improving people's lives. Less pain, less swelling, and less opioids. Faster healing naturally.